With everything I see going on today, things seem so volatile. Everything's getting much more expensive, there's more job layoffs, and now more than ever, you might want to be thinking about additional sources of income. So that's why I wanted to get on here today to talk about our main source of income while we travel, our passive source of income, and how it's been the best thing I've ever done financially. Now, in case you're new to the channel, I'm Kendra Lucas of Lucas World Travel. And in 2020, my husband and I, we sold our house, we sold our cars, and we quit our jobs so we could travel the world full time. And when we originally set out, we were only going to travel for 2 years. But fortunately enough, my passive source of income has sustained us for like 3 additional years. So we've been out here 5.5 years, living a dream, traveling full time. And I wanted to share with you a way that this passive income stream could help you as well. The market is quite huge, and I believe everybody should be part of it. So whether you're just needing some help making ends meet, you need help taking care of a family member, you're saving up to pay off debt or to get a house, or you want to live a dream like we did and travel full time, this passive income stream could really help you live that dream and help you reach financial independence. Now, what I did for this passive income stream is to create an online course teaching English as a second language. Now, I did this way back in 2016. I had the idea even way back then that I wanted to live abroad. So when I did my research, I saw the most popular way to earn money while living abroad is to teach English as a second language, because there's 1,000 schools all around the world who would like native English speakers to teach their students English. But the reason why this was such a good fit for me is that I loved learning languages. So ever since high school, I've been practicing French, Swahili, Chinese, and Spanish. Now, unfortunately, I'm not the most talented language learner. I only ever got competent in speaking Spanish. So I wouldn't say I'm fluent because things like going to the doctor are still way over my head. But for just basic conversations and for running basic errands, I can do those okay in Spanish. But I wanted to reverse engineer what it took for me to learn Spanish and put that into helping people learning how to speak English. So I really thought about, what do these students want to learn that they're missing in other courses? So I helped them tackle the most common mistakes in English, help them learn more advanced vocabulary, help them practice their speaking and listening. So really diving deep into all those areas that many other courses don't cover. And fortunately for me, the students loved the structure, they loved the course, and their positive reviews helped me to get lots of sales and more students. So from those students' positive reviews, it helped my course snowball and get in front of more and more students. Because once students see how many people are in the course, they want to be part of it as well and increase my sales. So I got very fortunate by choosing English as a second language. It was a very popular subject, but the good thing about teaching courses is you can teach anything. There's a variety of subjects that sell very well, and you can make a full-time income from things like coding, marketing, and even photography. So it's not just English lessons, it could really be anything. Now, once I finished making this course, I put it on multiple platforms to see how it would perform. I tried Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Now, when I put the course on Teachable, man, it did close to nothing. And that's because Teachable is like having your own website. So you have to promote your course 100% yourself through social media and through ads. Well, I find marketing on social media and ads to be just a little difficult, a little challenging. So I wound up driving no traffic and getting no sales through Teachable. Skillshare is a course marketplace, so people subscribe to it and they can watch unlimited amount of courses. And I put my English language class on there and I did okay. English language classes aren't really the primary market for Skillshare. That's more for like arts and digital development, content creation, things like that. And usually the majority of people on Skillshare already speak English fluently. So that really wasn't the best fit for my course, if you will. So it never really did much there. I'd say maybe $30 to up to $200 a month. But I'm not going to turn that down. That is still passive income, money I get every month by doing nothing once I post it. But by far the best platform that I've been on is Udemy, which is a marketplace of courses that has about 75 million users worldwide. And this was the perfect fit for my course because the audience of international students is vast and so many of them are trying to learn English. So when I put my course on there, it started to grow very slowly. It starts off with just like $30 a month. By the time I left the US, it was up to $900 a month. Nothing you can live on, but still very respectable. But year after year, it just snowballed to earn more and more and more until I was earning $2,000 to $3,000 a month. And I was just like, oh my goodness, we could keep traveling. This is gonna work. And the best part is I don't have to do any of the marketing myself. So as I mentioned, like Teachable, you market 100% yourself and you get 100% of the course sales. But Udemy is not necessarily that way. You do have the option to market yourself, and if you use your coupons and the students use your codes, you get 97% of the course sales and just lose 3% to credit card processing fees. If Udemy markets the course for you and sells the course for you, you only get 37% of the course sales. Now, I'm okay with this because, as I said before, I was getting 0% of nothing from Teachable. But with Udemy, they are so good at marketing. They will market your course by putting it on sale, by doing email marketing, by doing affiliate marketing, and they are so effective at selling my course. So that 37% that I'm getting is still a good amount of money compared to when I was trying to market it myself and was getting $0. So I put in the hard work of making a good course, and they put in the hard work of selling the course for me. So I feel like we both did something valuable there. So I have no problems with only getting 37% of that because I do know how hard marketing is. Now, I won't say that creating a course is easy to do. It does take a lot of upfront work, and it's quite a bit to learn at first. I'd say it would take a beginner maybe 1 to 5 months to finish a course if you're doing it part-time. And even though that's quite a bit of a time commitment, again, I only did this one time and it's still earning me money even 10 years later. So it is definitely worth the effort. And if you'd like some help getting started, I know a lot of people, they feel like they don't have a course in them. They feel like they don't know enough to teach online. But I promise you, you have enough life experience that you have a course in you. The reason I am making this video is because I'm coming out with a course on how to create a profitable course that will earn you passive income while you sleep. In that course, I'll help you brainstorm ideas about the areas in your life where you maybe have a course in you, you have something that you could share with the world that could benefit other people. And I'll walk you through the process of brainstorming those course ideas and then test it to see if that course is going to be profitable. Because not every course idea is going to sell thousands of dollars. Some are only worth hundreds of dollars a month. But it's good to know your income potential from each course topic. So I'll help you discover how much your course topic is worth. And then I'll walk you through step by step the process of how to build an interesting course that is both going to be valuable for your students, that's going to be interesting, and that's going to sell long term. Because I'm in this for the long game. There's some people who tell you how to make quick courses in a week, and I've taken those courses that somebody spent a day or 7 days making, and they're quite terrible. So my course is not like that at all. I'm going to go into good detail on how to make a good quality course so that it's something that you can be proud to sell. It's something that you don't have to feel icky about putting out there. You'll be proud of it, and other people are really going to get a lot of value out of it. And for the first couple of weeks, I'm going to have a discount going out of about 75%. So with that discount, the course is no more than like going out for dinner. So very affordable. And for the cost of going out for dinner, you can learn a skill that's going to earn you thousands over the next year. So if that sounds good for you, make sure to check out the links for the course. I'll put them up here on the screen and also in the description box below. So I hope to see you inside the course because I really would like to be part of your journey of earning your first passive income source. Because let me tell you, when you start getting royalties from your first passive income source, it feels so different. Because when you're so used to working 40 hours a week, working all the time, and you just had a nice month relaxing, not thinking, and then money just keeps hitting your account without doing anything, it just hits so differently. It's definitely worth doing, and it's definitely worth all the effort I put into it. And I can't wait to share that knowledge with all of you. But as always, the travel journey continues. So if you're into seeing more of our travels and learning what it's like to live in the places you travel, then be sure to subscribe as well. All right, until next time, happy travel planning, guys. Bye.